Hello everybody, it's a Maverick Trader here and I'm back with another trading plan video. So today we'll discuss the trading plan for Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow, and I also have two stock recommendations for the next trading session. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's move right into the analysis and trading plan. So as you can see, Bank Nifty again took resistance from this trend line. Actually, it broke this trend line today, but I had to readjust it uh, in order to accommodate this zone within the trend line because it was a fake breakout. So I moved the trend line a little bit. So yeah, so the trend line still stays relevant on the charts. Okay, so we'll move right into the levels. So if it breaks this level, that is 35,970, I think we can take a short trade up till 35,740. And if it breaks that level also, we can take a short trade up to 35,420. So two targets on the downside, and I don't think we can trade in this zone because of the trend line. So that would be a no-go. And this will be the day's low. So we can't even trade between these two zones because the target is going to be too small for the next trading session. We can't even trade in this zone because of the 200 EMA and the target might be too small. So that also can't be done. But if it breaks 36,781, we can take a long trade up till 37,200. But that will be a good 400 point trade. So do it on a 30-minute time frame. If you feel comfortable on a 15-minute time frame, you can go ahead and do it. If it breaks 37,200, you can take a long trade up to 37,450. And that's another 250 point trade. Okay. So now I'll move to Nifty. Yeah. So Nifty opened gap up above this trend line, which we had drawn last session. But I think the trend line still remains relevant because it was a fake breakout. So we can move the trend line a bit this side. Yeah, that's enough. Okay, so we obviously can't trade in this zone for the next session. If it makes a bullish candle here on Monday, then we can take a long trade up till the 50 EMA and take the trade. If it's only a big enough trade, don't take it if the trade is too small. So if we can have only if you have a considerable target, take the trade. If it's a small target, do not take it. Then if it breaks 17,180, we can take a short trade up till 17,100. And if it breaks that level also, we can take a short trade up till 16,950. Now this will act as an important resistance. That's the day's high. So keep an eye out for that. Wait a minute. Yeah. So this is an important zone. So keep an eye out for that. If it breaks that level, you can take a long trade up till 17,561. But I don't see the market being that bullish tomorrow on Monday. Maybe it will go sideways. But if it is bullish, then we can use these levels. So now I'll go to the stock recommendations, both on the 1 hour time frame. So first one is Adani. So Adani has been taking resistance from this trend line here, 1, 2, 3 times, and on the downside, it's taken resistance from this trend line. Although that is not significant, it's the recommendation for a long trade, not a short trade. So if Adani Ports breaks 741.05, you can take a long trade up till 756, which is let's see, it's a 2% trade, so that will be a good trade to take. Yeah, so that is one target. Now the next stock is Sun Pharma. So yeah, Sun Pharma has been is forming a falling wedge pattern. So if Sun Pharma breaks out from this level, that is 768, we can take a long trade till 784. That is a target of 2%. Okay. And if it breaks that level also, we can take a long trade up till 798, which is another 7-8 rupees. So trade in huge quantities or trade in futures if you want to make higher profits. So I'll end the video on that note. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the video. Um, yeah, and if you learned anything from the video, please don't forget to share the video. And by liking and subscribing, you will be giving us more motivation to make much better content. So please don't forget to do that. So I'll end the video on that note. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and happy trading.